Today, guys, I didn't record it, but I opened a skin case and just, you already know by title, just look what I got. Look what I got. I literally got the Balisong. I actually haven't played a game and I actually haven't actually tried out it yet. Let's see the wraps. I like clouds a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna have clouds for knife. Let's actually check it out in the shooting range. It's really laggy because it's always lagging in the lobby because there's a lot. Oh, I also got paper daggers. No, ace daggers. What are they called? Oh, and also warhorn. Look at this warhorn. Pretty cool. We got this. Of course. And this. Oh my gosh. Arena. No, it doesn't look like he's gonna do knife. I don't know. I have all skins now. Look at this. Oh yeah. Yo, where's he? Like, bro, here. Oh. Yeah, I am not playing with this guy because he is too good at the game. Like, money to get paid to win stuff. Alright, let's just pray that he uses knife. I don't know, I can't really do anything else. Oh, satchels. Oh, yes! Let's go, we have a nice player in our hands. Oh yes, our first kill with Balisong. This is my first time using Balisong. No, you're not cooked. That was lucky. You're not cooked. It was a lucky. Oh my gosh. He's a little... Oh, no. Oh, shit, I can hit emo. Like, bro, how? Well, I'm actually cooked. Like, I don't know what to do. This guy's an absolute... Please, bro, give me mercy. Oh, I got him. Yippee. I'm gonna go this way. Oh, wow. We're like the same skill, maybe. No? Yo, Balisong is actually giving me power still. I thought I was gonna go that way. I was just checking my sense. Yeah, it's more than 30. So like yo, he just like absolutely completely fucking... Holy hitbox, yo, what? Sure. Alright, let's do this. We're gonna knife 2v2, I guess. This guy's pretty cool. Pretty chill guy. But of course I'm just better at knife. He's better at knife. What? Oh, maybe not. Wait, I got this. Alright, we are gonna queue with this guy. Yes, we're gonna play Knife 2v2s with me ham. Is that, yeah, they're definitely not gonna do it. Oh! So, okay, so the other guy has to die. Oh, this guy's just iffy. Is this guy good with it, or is he not? Yeah, kill both. Oh my gosh, I am cooking. These guys are Yo, as soon as he said that. Yo, as soon as he said that, we lost the match. Oh my gosh, yo, they just like just locking. Oh, they're cheating. No. Me and him got locked in. Oh no. Oh, how are they doing this? Nice, you got this. You got this. You gotta clutch for me. We can't be leaving now. Wait, oh, yeah, you got it. You gotta clutch. No! Idea. No. Oh my gosh, GG. I have so many rivals friends on my friends list. Oh, alright, let's go. No, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, no more. Oh shit, I'm getting up. Calm down, bro. Calm down, Liam. Or Liam. How was that not backstab, bro? Oh my gosh. Alright, yo, just shut your mouth up, bro. Is that for me? It doesn't matter. Wait, that was not a clip, I promise you. All he did was slide back. How was that a clip? Oh. Quiet. This guy is not tough with me. Oh, he said sorry, Clip. He's one. He said sorry though. Y'all good. I guess he went through character. What? Yo, no sniper. Actually, no, he's just. Oh, yes, yeah. Oh, yeah. The only good thing is that I slid and then I randomly killed BLZ Arrow. He's not not for me. He's a sniper, I guess. I mean, he's gonna abuse his thing. What are these zip boxes? No, no more. Oh my gosh, you got obliterated. I'm scared over here. Alright, yeah. We killed SpongeBob! Yeah, we killed SpongeBob again. And we killed 9XC, we're crazy. Hit a jackpot. Yeah, I did have enough HP to do anything. But yo, Balisong is actually more like, I guess the confidence. So, you know, bring it up here. I guess, wait, hold up, grenade might be tech. It might be war. That's why you don't use RPG on me, because on build it. What a knee jump to just kill this guy, bro. Yeah, okay, yeah. Maybe not. Maybe not. Oh shit, I tried to fist jump. Nice. Would absolutely beam him with the AR now. Please say yes. Please say yes. Please say yes. No, I guess. I'm playing with a pro right now, bro. So that's some bad tracking. I have to copy and paste this. Yes, he said yes. Let's go. He said yes. How is that not a backstab? Yeah, kinda. What? I just phased through the thing? What do I do? Could this have a... Yo, I'm just standing still, bro. Come on. I appreciate those kind words. Made my day, even though I already had a good day, but thank you, man. You're a kind gentleman. I hope you have a great life. What? I know he probably doesn't care, but I don't care. I just want to tell him to be good, you know? Tell him a good life. Tell him a good life. Tell him a good life. I like just sliding into the things. Kind of fried. I'm kind of fried. Please, Raul, say yes, say yes, say yes. Say wallahi, bro, say wallahi. Say wallahi, bro, say wallahi. Say wallahi, bro, say wallahi. Oh, no. Oh no, he is terrible. This is bad. Grenade! This one. First rifle roll. Don't see this coming. Just hitting. Looking kind of fried in the first one. Like, absolutely fried. Back the stab out of him. Yeah, right. I can't, bro. How am I supposed to win against this guy? Can't track me while I'm flying there like that. Absolutely. Oh my gosh. Why did he have spray? Oh no, he was 3 HP, bro. I need one more shot. Alright, let's do this one. 11 left in me. This might be oh my gosh, I won! Oh my gosh. Alright, that's gonna be the end